Yo guys, welcome in the shop. Today we have the 2026 Altis Sigma. This bike has a 25 kilowatt peak power motor. It outputs about 33.5 horsepower and has a top speed of 81 plus miles per hour. This bike is a beast, about 185 pounds. So let's open it up and check it out. Alright, well here it is. This is the 2026 Altis Sigma. This bike is a beast. So we're going to take it out on the trails and test it out, compare it to some of the other models out there. So stay tuned for that, subscribe. Thank you for watching guys, and we'll catch you on the next one.